Ignite your tabletop adventures with Corrix, the Lava Moon. It's a volcanic collection of 3D printable terrain files, allowing you to build an entire lava landscape using just your own home printer and some filament. It starts with the terrain tiles, and there are two options. First, your lava landscape, cracked ground, lava rivers, lagoons and pools. Second, your lava factory, lava channels, equipment and tanks, even an assembly line. The tiles use the OpenLock system of clips, are completely modular and easy to rearrange. And if you don't want to print a whole table, don't worry, we've got you covered. Just add some edges and do area terrain. But every table needs height, so there are jutting rock outcrops. A dark keep broods over the landscape. For playable height, there are stackable gantries. They come with a range of options, including handrails that can offer some cover. There's a whole selection of video game inspired pieces with climbable walls, wall runs and shortcuts. And the lava theme continues. There's a rail conveyor system for your factory. There's an overhead bucket system. There's pipework. There's skiffs. There's barrels. There's turbines. There's tanks. There's equipment. I can't believe just how much I got into this Kickstarter. And we have two amazing add-ons. The first are 10 lava theme minis by Darkfire designed just for this Kickstarter. They look amazing. The second is the Transport Delta by Second Dynasty. It has a massive playable interior. I printed mine at 35mm and it fills a Spec Ops or RPG board. It looks stunning. Second Dynasty have also included the Epsilon Bomber in the core pledge. And all of this is without the stretch goals. There are mini bases, the lava waterfalls, playable rocks, all yet to come. Support now to get your hands on Corrix, the Lava Moon terrain set. Unlock stretch goals to get even more options, and sign up to our email list and you'll get a free gift of some lava geysers. Back now so your tabletop battles can erupt with volcanic intensity.